Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to install Parrot Security OS latest version, that is 15.0.20 on Parrot Security OS 7.3. But the process is same on Parrot Security OS version. So first open the default web browser that comes with Parrot Security OS, that is Firefox. Now go to Tor Browser official website. It is torproject.org. Click on download Tor Browser or click on download Tor Browser, both are same. Click on download for Linux. Now set the location to save this file. I'm going to download start. Click on save. See, download started. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to download cd. Yes. Now we have to unzip this file tar-xf, then tar, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. ls. Now go to the Tor Browser folder. ls. Now execute this file. Don't run this with sudo or root account. Just give /start, press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. See, we got the Tor Browser. Now verify the version. Help about Tor Browser, and its version number is 15.0.20. If you want to connect always automatically, just you need to turn on, or if you want to connect, just click on this connect. It is up to you, then click on connect. See, it is established connection. So in this video we have seen how to install latest version of the Tor Browser, that is 15.0.20 on Parrot Security OS 7.3. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.